To get a new Navy Federal debit card, start by determining the reason for your request. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to report this to Navy Federal immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can request a new debit card by logging into your Navy Federal online account, selecting the account associated with the debit card, and clicking on the Manage Debit Card option. From here, you can select the option to order a replacement card. Alternatively, you can call the Navy Federal customer service number, which can be found on their website or on the back of your debit card. Let them know that you need to request a new debit card and provide them with your account information to verify your identity. You can also visit a Navy Federal branch in person and speak with a representative to request a new debit card. Make sure to bring a valid form of identification with you to verify your identity. Once you have requested a new debit card, it will typically take 7 to 10 business days to arrive. In the meantime, you can request a temporary debit card at a Navy Federal branch, which can be used until your new card arrives. When your new debit card arrives, make sure to activate it immediately by following the instructions provided with the card. You will also need to update any automatic payments or transactions that were set up with your old debit card. It is also important to note that if you are requesting a new debit card due to a lost or stolen card, you should monitor your account activity closely to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily request a new Navy Federal debit card and get back to managing your finances with ease. Remember to always keep your account information and debit card secure to prevent any potential issues.